Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you're in the life insurance business, you already know your operations inside and out. But when it comes to generative AI, well, that can still feel like a bit of a black box, right? What does it actually do for our business, especially for something as core as policy administration? That's exactly what I've been exploring. And I've got to say, the impact is real. Let's start with policy issuance. This is where it all begins, assessing risk and getting the policy created. What used to take hours or days of manual work is now being transformed. Generative AI is helping underwriters chew through mountains of historical data, millions of past claims, applications, outcomes. It finds patterns that no human could catch alone. It's not replacing underwriters, it's supercharging them. More data, better insights, faster decisions. And the documents, that mountain of paperwork we deal with, generative AI can now auto-generate personalized policy documents, tailored endorsements, and regulatory compliant templates, all in seconds. It slashes errors and massively boosts efficiency. Honestly, it's a game changer for speed and accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Customer experience is getting a big lift too. Think about applying for insurance late at night. Generative AI powered chatbots are there 24/7, answering questions, guiding applicants, and freeing up human agents for the really complex stuff. It's support on demand, with better satisfaction on both sides. Now, let's talk billing, the operational heartbeat. AI is changing the game with smarter automation and flexible pricing models. Usage-based billing, tiered pricing, consolidated invoices, it all adds up to smoother cash flow and way less hassle. And dashboards give clients full visibility into what they're using and what they're paying for. Transparent, scalable, practical. And then there's renewals, one of the most important touch points with our customers. AI here is helping prioritize which renewals need human attention and which can be handled automatically. It flags risky or high lapse policies, enabling us to step in with personalized outreach, while routine renewals run quietly in the background. The result? Fewer surprises, better retention, and stronger customer relationships. Of course, implementing this isn't a walk in the park. Data is a huge hurdle. Legacy systems, messy records, clean, connected data is the foundation for AI success. Then there's pilot purgatory, where teams get stuck experimenting but never scale. We've got to move beyond testing and connect these tools to real business value. Operating models matter too. When AI is driven only by tech teams and not business needs, adoption stalls. And don't forget the regulatory environment, especially with evolving standards like the EU AI Act. Starting with low-risk applications is smart. And then there's the ethical piece, bias. If your AI learns from biased data, it can perpetuate that bias in critical decisions. That's unacceptable, especially in a sector as sensitive as insurance. We need responsible AI from day one. But despite the challenges, the potential is massive. We're seeing real wins already. Faster underwriting, smarter billing, clearer renewals, even claims processing is benefiting, with AI flagging fraud and automating the simple approvals. And it's not just about buying a tool off the shelf. For some use cases, standard platforms work fine. But for companies with proprietary data and complex workflows, custom AI solutions tailored to internal needs can unlock the full value. Looking ahead, I'm really excited about where this goes. AI is getting better at explainability, which means more transparency and trust, especially important for communities that haven't always felt treated fairly. Add in responsible development, strong governance, and flexible deployment models, cloud, on-prem, hybrid. You're not just improving operations, you're reimagining what's possible. So here's the big question. As generative AI matures, can we go beyond just automating old processes? Could we actually design new kinds of insurance products, new engagement models, entirely new ways of serving our policyholders? If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.